because it's a collection for the Catholic Communication Campaign.
What's she doing? Rubbing her head on the ground.
So weird.
I think she like knows not to bite her, and so she just like bites the floor. Hey, look at that!
She's latched on to like her.
Oh, jeez.
Smash her with your body, Lilo.
Sunday and only on TBS is in Fenway Park. The Brewers take on the world champs.
That cat's getting mean.
Don't miss
Weird.
Oh gosh.
She just rolled on her.
Rolls on her. Lilo just lays down and rolls on top of the cat.
It's like how she rolls and like roll crap.
She rolls on the cat.
It reminds me of a real wrestling match. Like between two, like, you know what I'm saying, they're trying to pin each other.
She does that wrestling move. You can hold like put your oh, in the eye.
Oh, what was the thing now?
I got to pass like 2 minutes of it.
There's bad cat. Bad cat will just smack on the shoulder.